How to delete all photos from WhatsApp group on Android. Hi everyone! Do you want to delete all the photos from a WhatsApp group on Android but don't want to go through each one individually? Well, don't worry. In this video, we have got a quick and easy method to help us out and clear all the images in no time. So let's just dive right into the video. Let's start by opening up the WhatsApp app on our Android device and make sure we are logged into the correct account. After that, tap on the group chat where we want to delete all the photos. For example, this one right here on my screen, you may just go ahead and look out for your group. And once we're inside the chat, you're going to tap on your group name on the or the three dots in the top right corner and select group info. After that, in the group section, scroll down and tap on the media links and documents here. We can find this and just go ahead and tap on it. And when you tap on it, here we will see all the shared media like images, videos, and documents. Now, you may just go ahead and tap on the Photos tab to only view images, and you can, press and select each and every of them and click on delete and click on delete for me. And that is done, and confirm the deletion when prompted, and that should probably delete each and everything. And this is how you do it. Now we know how we can quickly delete all the photos from our WhatsApp group on Android. It's super simple and we can keep our chats neat and tidy. So if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips, and see you in the next video.